boy. Good boy. Well, good boy. Good boy. Can you talk to me? Yo-yo. Talk to me. Talk to me. Yo-yo, talk to Mama. Yeah. Oh, you're getting fluffed up. Yo-yo, talk to Mama. Talk to me. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Hello. Today I'm 5 months old. Yeah. Tell them, today I'm 5 months old. Yo-yo, I'm 5 months old. Yo-yo, the parrot show. Yeah. Say, yo-yo, the parrot show. Say, I'm pretty. I got a peanut. See me eating a peanut? I hold it with my feet and I take the shell off. I got the peanut in my hand. Let the shell go. Now I get the peanut in the other hand and I chew up the peanut. Yeah. Say, I shell the peanut. Mmm, good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I love peanuts. That's one of my favorites. Yeah, say it's one of my favorites. Baby and Lucy.
Hey, Lucy.
Move out the way, Caroline, so they go in the kitchen.
Hey, Lucy. Look at that.
This is Lucy and Baby playing. She lost her.
Come on, Lucy.
Baby doesn't know what to think about that.
Come on, let's play.
Did you hear Bee better?
Yeah. Look at her running.
Say, are you my mama?
Look at her sliding. Oh, Lord. No. She don't like her.
Baby said, get off my tail. Baby birdie. Come on. Yeah. It's okay.
Keep the balloon in there.
She's done.
I was trying to imitate her.
Yo-Yo thinks this is a show. Those little legs are going as fast as they can. What's wrong, baby? What's the matter? Don't let him go in the Christmas tree. Yeah. What you think? What you think? Oh. Baby birdie. Baby birdie. Baby birdie. Baby birdie. It's okay. Don't get so close that it gets blurred, honey.
It's clear this way.
Yeah, you talking to each other?
Let's see what they do.
Uh-uh, not so close. Not so close, Caroline. It'll get blurry. Yeah. Baby birdie. Baby birdie. Yeah. Tell them to call. Roll Tide. The people that had him for about 3 years. He was caught in the wild, so there's no way to know really how old he is. He's a very special bird. His plumage right now is sort of bad, but the vet said that it would change in about 2 months. And he's really special. He likes to be loved. Yes, you like to be loved, don't you, Lolita? He's giving his loving call. Lolita! Ooh, Lolita! Yeah? Yeah, Lolita. See, I'm really pretty. I'm fixing to get me a bath, and you're going to see me take a bath. See, we've had you about a week and a half, and I'm real loving. Yes, I'm real loving toward Mama. Aren't ya? Yeah. Get him to do one of his tricks. Fly, Lolita. Fly. Fly. Fly, Lolita. Yeah, fly, Lolita. Fly. Fly. Fly to Mama. Fly. Fly. Fly, Lolita. Fly. Come on. Come on, you almost did it a minute ago. Fly. Fly, Lolita. Fly. Fly. There you go. Fly. Lolita. Good boy. Good boy. Taking a bath. Yeah. She usually spreads out her wings. Maybe she will in a minute. Lolita. Yeah. See, just spreading her wing. Spreading his wing. It's a male, but he likes being called a Lolita. He loves the shower. Woo! Woo! Lolita! Getting a shower, aren't you? Woo! Yeah. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah. Feels so good. Lolita! Woo, Lolita! Yeah, Lolita. Yeah. Oh, I love it. I love it. Lolita. Yeah. Tell him. Lolita. Ooh. See him holding out his wings and trying to get the water up underneath his wings. He loves it. Lolita this time. Usually says Lolita. Lolita! Woo! Yeah! Lolita! Woo! Taking a shower. Woo! Yeah, Lolita! Woo, woo, woo! Yeah! Woo, woo, woo! Lolita! Please, bye-bye. Show Mama. Bye-bye. Show me. Bye-bye. Good boy. It's Lolita all wet. Say I'm enjoying my peanut because I was good and I took a shower. Yeah. Yeah, say I'm happy. I'm happy now. I got a peanut for a reward. Yes. Oh, it's going to be all clean in a minute. You'll see the difference in this plumage that it'll be a bright green. Yeah, Lolita. Baby birdie talking to his toys. He's pecking right now. Just a minute, I'll get his clown and I'll put it back up there. He was talking to it a minute ago. You can hear him. He's talking to his toy. I'm Gordon's bird. Hey, babe. Roll Tide. Roll Tide. You just got a bath, too. I'm Gordon's bird. What's your name? Baby birdie. What's your name? Say, come here, Yo-Yo. Say, what's your name? What's your name? Baby birdie. Yo-Yo want a peanut. Uh-oh, Yo-Yo's hollering. There he is. Yeah, you know what that means, don't you? You know what? Yes, you know what that means. He's lifting up his leg like Yo-Yo. He thinks every time he talks he's supposed to lift up his foot. Had his bath. Say, I'm all green. Lolita, turn around a minute. Yeah, say I'm missing some tail feathers. Yeah. Let me see if I can get him to laugh. Pretty boy. Lolita. Lolita. Stuff all pretty. Lolita. Oh, he's fixing to turn 8 months old, about the 3rd of March. An African gray. Oh, yeah. Hello. Yo-Yo. 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 Let's see. Bye. Bye-bye. 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 Good boy. Bye. Bye-bye. Put your foot up. Put your foot up. Bye-bye. Good boy. Good boy. Bye. Bye-bye. Show Mama. Bye-bye, Yo-Yo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Yo-Yo. Bye-bye. And she'll be turning a year old in March. And say, I'm an Indian ringneck. You could hear baby birdie in there. And say, I don't say a whole lot, but I'm a real loving bird. Yeah. Hi, Mona. Yeah, Mona. She's a pretty green. Yeah, I'm a pretty green. I'm a pretty green. She's real loving. Yeah, Mona. Mona. Birdie. And he'll be turning 7 months old near the 1st of March. He's the one who does all the talking around here. His head's turning yellow, and about the second molt, which will be this summer, his head should be completely yellow. Yeah, baby birdie. Baby birdie. Can't you say something? Good. Hi, Yo-Yo. Say bye-bye. Good boy. Bye. Bye-bye. Good boy. Good boy. Bye-bye. Good boy. Okay, Yo-Yo. Bye-bye. Good boy.
Without letting anyone know where she was going.
No explanation whatsoever. We try and keep optimistic thoughts, but apparently the clothes she had on it.
Talk to him.
Rita.
No one has heard from her. And,
Rita.
if she's out there somewhere and somebody
I cut off.
Yeah, Lolita. Yeah. Oh, Lolita. Yeah. Oh, Lolita.
Sleep for a little while,
My family. This is Coco. Yeah, Coco. This is Rowdy. He's a Moluccan cockatoo. This is Coco, an African gray. This is Lolita, a Mealy Amazon. And this is Yo-Yo. Let's see, an African gray. And that's Baby Bird in the cage, our cockatiel. Living room. And these are my birds. And oh, what a mess it is. This is my zoo. Okay, just about all my parrots do tricks now. I just have to get it organized. Yes, there's Lolita. She's getting real happy. Get them all to do their tricks. Okay, Coco, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Yo-Yo, Coco, wave bye-bye. Good, good. Bye, yep, wave bye-bye. Bye-bye, good. Okay, Lolita. Lolita, wave bye-bye. Good girl, good girl. This is hard to do, filming and doing it. Okay, can you wave bye-bye real fast? Yo-Yo, wave bye-bye real fast. Yo-Yo, wave bye-bye. Yeah, wave bye-bye real fast. One I can't show you is kiss, or they'll get scared of the camera. But I can get Coco to shake hands. Coco, shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands, boy. Shake hands. Good. Good. Here you go. Rowdy, shake hands. Shake hands, Rowdy. Good. Good. Lolita, shake hands. No, shake hands. Lolita, shake hands. Shake hands. Lolita. Just a minute. Good. Good.
Yo-Yo, shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Shake hands. Yo-Yo, shake hands. Dance, Coco. Dance. Dance. Dance, Coco. Dance. Dance, Coco. Dance. 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 Yeah, that's a good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Rowdy, can you dance? Dance. Show him how you can dance. Yeah, no, dance. Dance. Dance, Rowdy. Come on. Can you show him how you dance? Show him how you dance. Good. Dance. Come on, Rowdy, dance. Yeah, come on. Can you dance? Can you dance again? Dance again. Dance. Dance, Rowdy. Dance. Come on. Come on. Dance. Dance. Come on. Dance. Good. 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 Okay, Coco, show us how you dance again. Dance, Coco. Dance. Dance. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Dance. Good. Okay. This is going to be tricky. Lolita, fly. Fly. Good girl. Okay, we did good. And this is Yo-Yo. Yo-Yo, bark. 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 Bark again. Bark. 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 Yo-Yo, bark. Bark, Yo-Yo. Bark. Bark. She's camera shy. Yo-Yo, bark. Bark. Whoop. Bark. Good. Good. Rowdy, if I can get them all to hush a little bit. Rowdy's a Moluccan cockatoo, and when he gets excited, this all comes forward. He's really pretty. He's peach colored. I don't know if you can see it or not. And this is sort of a salmon color. Oh, and he wants me to pet him. He's very, very loving. He's so tame. You can stretch out his wings. Real easy to clip him. And he doesn't mind. He keeps it open. There goes Lolita. He's very tame. And he really likes to be loved. Okay, let me show you again. Yeah, show him your wings. Yeah. Oh, pretty rowdy bird. Yeah, pretty rowdy bird. Yeah, say we like to play. Yeah, show him your tail. Show him your tail. Show him your tail. Right now, say we're a big baby. Say we're a big baby. Yeah, can you show him your tail? Yeah, say show me my tail. Yeah, yeah, good boy. Yeah, it's a good boy. Yeah, and he has a bald spot on the back of his head. That's natural, behind his feathers. Say, we love to be loved. Yes, Rowdy bird. Yeah, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Yeah, he doesn't know what to think about this camera. Yeah, hi, Rowdy. Hi, Rowdy. Say, we just don't really know what to think about this camera. Yeah, we just don't really know what to think about this camera. I'm trying to get him in focus. Okay. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Now, there's another trick that Rowdy likes to do, and I don't know if I can do it with a camera. And he likes to play catch. Oh, are you talking? Yes. Yes, I'm talking. Yes. Talk to me. Can you sing? Yes, sing. Ha, ha. Can you sing? Rowdy. Good. Sing, Rowdy. Sing. Ha, ha. Tell me. Sing. Sing, Rowdy. Ha, ha. Rowdy. Yeah, Rowdy. Ha, ha. Tell him. Yeah. Ha, ha. Hey, Rowdy. Pay attention now. Rowdy. Pay attention now. Pay attention. Yeah. Show him how big you are. Show him how big. Oh, big boy. Big boy. Good. Good. Yes, you big boy. Big boy. Yes, say, I'm a big boy. Ooh, so big. Show him how big you are. Rowdy. Show him how big you are. Rowdy, Rowdy. Come here. Yeah, show him how big you are. Okay, we'll get back to that. Rowdy, look at here. All right, we play catch. This is his thing, and he is really good at it, and he won't quit. You have to quit before that. Now, I'll see if I can do it with the camera. Okay. Take it with your foot. Take it with your foot. Okay. Throw it here. Whoops. Hold on a minute. Good. Yeah. Good. I can't pick it up with camera. Let's see what we can do. All right. Ready? Yeah. Put it in your foot hand. All right. Throw it. A shot. All right. I'm going to try to do this from a shot. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but we'll just see how we do. Okay, Rowdy. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Come on. All right. Throw it to me. No. Throw it to me. Come on. Put your foot. Say we get real excited. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Good boy. Come on. Good. I'm just not a good catch. Okay. Here, Rowdy. Put your foot. Okay. Throw it. Throw it. Say we're not real good on. There you go. Good boy. Okay. Yeah, you gotta throw it better than that. Put your foot. There you go. Good. No, throw it to Mama. Throw it to Mama. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Kiss. Good. Good boy. Okay. Next, we're gonna show you how excited he gets. All right. Ooh, Rowdy. Ooh, Rowdy. That's Lolita hollering. Okay. Yeah. Show him how excited he gets. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, Rowdy. Yeah. Okay, you want it? All right, good. Put it in your foot. The more you do this, the more he loves it. Okay, Rowdy, put it in your foot. Whoops. Put it in your foot. Ooh, Rowdy! You get so excited. Okay, throw it here. Oh, throw it here. Come on. Come on. Okay, throw it here. No, put it in your foot. That gives me a chance to get ready. Woo! Good boy. Okay. Put it in your foot. Okay. Rowdy bird. Show him. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, Rowdy. Ooh, Rowdy bird. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Rowdy bird. Woo! It almost makes it dizzy. Woo! Woo! Rowdy bird. Woo! Rowdy bird. Okay, you want it? All right, you put it in your foot. Okay, put it in your foot. Woo! Rowdy! Woo! No, put it in your foot. 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 No. Put it in your foot. There you go. Good boy. Woo! Woo! Kiss again. Okay, show him how loving you can be. Show him how loving you can be. Yes, a Rowdy bird. Yeah, my Rowdy bird. Yeah. Oh, Rowdy bird. Who's a rowdy bird? Yeah. You can see why I decided not to get rid of him. Yeah, my rowdy bird. Oh, rowdy. Rowdy bird. Rowdy bird. all fluffed up. Yes, we just get all fluffed up. Yeah, see my tail? See my tail? Yeah, say, see my wings? See my wings? Yeah, well show them. Show them how big you are. Show them how big you are, Rowdy. Show them how big. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, show them. Tell them. Yeah, tell them. Rowdy, tell them. Hey, hey, Rowdy, tell them. Can you tell them? Huh? Can you tell them? Good boy. One last trick I was going to show you that they do with the kissing. I think I might be able to do it now. Let's see. Turn on, Coco. Here, Coco. Turn on here. Come here. Come on. No, come here, kiss. Kiss. Come here, kiss. Kiss. Good. Good. Yo-yo, can you kiss? Kiss. Good. Okay. Coco, can you dance? Dance. Dance. Okay, good. Yo-yo, bark. 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 Bark again. Bark again. Okay, good girl. And why sometimes he's hard to keep. He starts getting real excited. I don't know if I can. I know. Yeah. We'll see. Just a minute. Now he'll sometimes get so upset he'll start stomping his foot. He doesn't like the TV set, so we'll see. Now he's fixing to get excited. He's working on it. Yeah, Rowdy. Yep, it's almost there. Yeah, he's getting it. This is why you can't have an apartment. This is baby Birdie. Whose bird are you? Whose bird are you? Say Lolita. Lolita Bonita. What's the baby bird? Say Lolita Bonita. What you doing, buzzard breath? What you doing? Where do you live? Where do you live? Bye-bye. 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 See you later, babe. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, babe. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, babe. cage at my house. Coco. Coco, good boy. Hello. Coco, good boy. Coco, good boy. Coco. Oh, Coco, good boy. Call the dogs. Good boy. Good boy. Do a hound dog. Good boy. Can you do? Are you going to work? Do a hound dog. No, do a hound dog. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Good boy. Are you going to sing Dixie?
What doing? Papa. 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 Hey, what? What?
Ooh. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Good boy, Coco. Hello.
And where?
Do Popeye. Do Popeye. You do Popeye? Do Popeye.
Good boy. Hey, Ralph.
What, Coco? I love you. Are you a good boy?
Good boy. And where? Huh? And horse. Huh?
Ooh, good boy.
Good boy.
Do a hound.
Yo, yo. Huh? Huh? That Coco Bear.
Good boy. Do Popeye. Do a hound dog.
Coco, good boy. Hey, Ralph.
What, Coco? I love you.
Hey, what? 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 Yo, yo. Huh? Hey, what? Papa. Papa.
Do a hound dog. Baby bird. Baby bird. Hello. Hello. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Coco, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No, give me a kiss. Do a hound dog. Can you do a hound dog? Do a hound dog. Do a hound dog. Ow, ow, ow! Can you dance? Dance, Coco, dance.
That boy. Yo, yo. That boy. That'll work.
Going to work? What you doing? What you doing?